Hey, my first grade friends. I have missed you so very much. Miss Shapansky has done our videos last week, and I'm back today. So, here's what I need you to do. The first thing before we do any lessons today, I need you to get a pencil and a piece of paper. And I need you to write this date, May 7th. I need you to write this date, May 7th. These are the times. On May the 7th, you are going to bring your packet that you've been working on up to school, and you're going to get a new packet. Okay, see if you can remember. May 7th. Can you say it with me? May 7th. What's the date? May 7th. So at 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, 4 to 6. A first grade teacher is going to be at school, and you are going to bring your homework packet, any library books, anything that you have that you need to turn in back to us. So if you have a library book, bring it back, and we're going to put it in a box and give it back to Miss Savitz, okay? See if you can remember what the date is. May 7th. May 7th. 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, 4 to 6. May the 7th, that's this Thursday, okay? So put that on your calendar. Now, I need for you to get out your work packet for today, and I need you to find the week of May 4th through the 8th. May 4th through the 8th. That's what we're going to be working on this week, okay? And I have 2 new letter sounds. Last week, Miss Shapansky introduced to you 2 sounds that made her feel. I thought it was fun when I watched that. And she said, boy, oi. And you smile, don't you? And the other one was coin, oi, oi. So those were our sounds last week. We found out that oi can be spelled with O-I and O-Y. This week, we are going to learn about the ah sound. Ah. Look at my mouth. Ah. What vowel, what short vowel sounds like that? Let's see if you can see that. All, saw, all. How is this all spelled? A-W, okay? Saw, all. Look at this one. Saucer. It does look like a spaceship, but we're going to call it a saucer. Saucer, all. So, our sounds this week are ah, and we are going to look at some words on my blending board that will help you practice some of the things that we're doing today. So this is the ah sound, like in saw, okay? Let's look at them. Oops. All right, look at this one. All. Crawl. Yes, do you see what makes the all sound? Yes, the A-W. Okay, let's look at this one. On. Yawn. Yes. Yawn. Okay, look at this one. All. Claw. Say it with me. Claw. Oh, somebody's about to
Claw.
Ah, there's Penny. Hi, Penny. All right, look at this one. Straw. Straw. So all of those have the all sound, like in saw. Can you say those now? See if you can say those. Call. Yawn. Claw. Straw. Okay, good. All right, let's now look at the all sound in saucer, and that is spelled with A-U. All right, look at this one. Ooh, I have one that has a capital letter. August. August. Ooh, wonder why that is a capital letter. I hope someone says, it's because it's a month, Miss Smith. All right, look at this one. Sauce. Sauce. All right. Wonder why this sounds like the city card. Quinshawn, I hope you would say, Miss Smith, it's because the E is after the C. That makes that sound. Sauce. Sauce. I like honey mustard for a sauce. Okay, look at this one. Fault. Fault. You might say, it's all your fault. Fault. All right, look at this one. Launch. Launch. Like the space shuttle launched. It took off. It went up. Okay? Let's see if you can say these words again. August. Sauce. Fault. Launch. Good. All right, so that is what we are going to look at this week. And we are going to practice that sound. So if you will look on Monday, May the 4th through May the 8th, our blending board for today, you are going to sound out those words, just like we did on the blending board, okay? So sound out those words. And then you are going to turn, and we are going to talk about some rhyming words. I want you to think about what might rhyme with straw. And I want you to see if you can write some words down for me. And something that rhymes with rattle. Rattle. Now, think about a rhyme. Something that rhymes has the same ending sound. So, does snow and sky, do those rhyme or not rhyme? Not rhyme. What about heel and spill? Did you hear the sound? Heel, spill. Rhyme or not rhyme? It's a rhyme. Rang, bang. It is a rhyme. Good job. Tears, fears. Do you think that rhymes? Yes? Okay. Yes, that is a rhyming word. And the last one is eat, treat. Do those have the same ending sounds? Do they have the same sound at the end that makes them rhyme? Eat, treat. Yes, they do. All right. Now, I have a story that we are going to read this week, and it's about something that Sam loves to play. What is it that Sam likes to play? If you said baseball, you're right. So, here's our story. The title is called Coaches. The story is called Coaches. And look, down here at the bottom, there's a picture. That might be, looks like maybe the coach is talking to them. So what would the coach do? What's the job of a coach? Think about something that the coach might do. So I want you to read this story. Read this story for me. And then after that, you have a page that I want you to do. And it is going to talk about the all sound, okay? And here's what we're going to do. Here's the directions. The directions say you're going to write the words from the box that have the same sound spelling as the name of the picture. So we're going to do number 1 together. So this is the box of words. I want you to repeat these words after me. See if you can find these words and put your finger on them. You're going to repeat them after me like echo. Stalk, taught, fall, haul, claw, small, chalk, cause, paw, naughty. Hope you said those words back after. I hope you echoed those words after me. All right, so here is the first word. The first word is crawl. There's the baby. They're crawling on the floor, okay? So we're looking for the word that has the same spelling and same sound. So I'm looking for something that has A-W-L. Something that has the same spelling. With A-W, okay? So do you see anything up there that has an A and a W? I just had my pen. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, so we're looking for something that spells all with A-W. Do you see a word up here in this box, in this set of words, right here that I've circled, that is spelled with all with A-W? If you are writing, who wrote this word? Paul. That has the A-W, doesn't it? Yes. Okay. Do you see another word that has the all sound spelled with A-W? See if you wrote this word. Use your brain if you did. Claw. Okay? So we're going to do one more. So this word is call. See, she's calling on the phone. Calling. Call me, baby. So call. So we're looking for the all sound. It can be spelled with A-L-L. Do you see any words up there that have the spelling all in A-L-L? You look, I'm going to write them. Write it, hide it, show it. Look, all, A-L-L, small, A-L-L. So what this is saying is that all can be spelled in some different ways. Today we learned that all can be spelled with A-W and A-U, but you already knew a couple of those. Ah, like apple. And so there are some other ones up here. So you're going to look at this side right here and look how it is spelled, all, and see if you can find the same spelling, okay? All right, so that's what you're going to do on that one. So after you finish that page, you'll be finished with the reading part for today. And then you're going to flip over and you're going to find the math section that has May 4th at the top, May 4th, and there are 4 shapes. So I want you to think about the last day we were at school, and we talked about halving. We talked about dividing equal parts of our pizza. Do you remember when we had the pizza and we took the pizza and we cut it in half, and so you had a half, I had a half, and we both had the same. And then we thought about how could we half this and divide it to where everybody had the same amount, and I needed 4 pieces. And so we made equal parts. So I have some pictures here. I have a picture of a circle. I have a picture of a circle. And I want you to think about, we're only going to make 2 parts. So I want you to think about how you could cut this pizza into 2 equal parts. So let me ask you this. Would this be the way that you would want to cut your pizza? So if I had a piece here and here, would that be fair? No, that wouldn't be divided in half, would it? Those are not the same size. So what I need for you to do is think about where you're going to draw your line to make it have 2 equal parts. So let's draw this circle again. Okay, here's my circle. How can I cut it? How can I draw a line? Let's look at this one. I have 1 piece here. You have 1 piece here. Are they the same? So this one is not equal, is it? But this one is. We have divided it into 2 equal parts. All right. So today in your math page, you're going to draw a line to divide the shape in half. So this is in half, isn't it? We practiced, and look, do you remember? There's the fraction that we wrote that day we did the pizza party, and we had 1/2. It is a half. This is not a half, is it? I'm not having this piece and somebody else is getting this piece. That's not fair. All right, so let's think about this one. Let's think about this one. Here's a triangle. How could we cut this? How could we divide this into 2 equal parts? So if I drew my line here, would that be right? If I drew the line here, what if I drew the line here? Let's see, how does that look? Do we have 2 equal parts? We do. Now, one of your questions says, I need you, they gave you a picture that looks just like this. I want you to color 1/2. So if you ate 1/2 of the pizza, how many parts did you eat? You ate 1/2. You ate one of the halves. Okay? So, you are going to do this page. Now, what the question said, cut it into 4. So, how many pieces is going to be in that pizza? Well, we cut it, and we had 4 pieces. Do you remember that pizza? So, how many equal parts did you have? You had 4. So, if it asks for you to cut it into 4, you're going to cut it into 4 equal parts, okay? All right, so you're going to do that page. I sure hope you were practicing with your doubles, and I sure hope you're practicing looking for 10s, making 10s, but I need you to remember one more thing. So, at the beginning of the class, I said, what did you need to write down? May 7th. Don't forget, Thursday, May 7th, you are bringing your packet back and you're getting a new one. Boys and girls, I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.